In 1988, the Soviet Union accidentally released weaponized anthrax. The location was Vozrojdeniya Island, a place so secret it was erased from every map. Hidden in the Aral Sea, this remote island housed the Soviet Union's most classified biological weapons laboratory. Scientists worked in complete isolation, testing anthrax, plague, and dozens of other deadly pathogens. Then came the accident. Animals began dying over 100 kilometers away from the island. The contamination spread through the wind, killing everything in its path. The scientists knew the truth. They were trapped on an island of death. One mistake, one breach, and they could trigger a global pandemic. They couldn't leave, couldn't speak, couldn't even call for help. Decades later, the island remains contaminated. Anthrax spores are still viable, still deadly, waiting in the soil. The laboratory may be abandoned, but the weapons remain. How many other secret bioweapons labs still exist today?